Eat an apple a day and see what happens. There is a famous proverb about fruit. Can you guess which one? If you said apple, then you're correct. After all, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, supposedly. But is this really true? The answer is yes. Apples are a superfood filled with nutrition and fiber. In this video, we will answer the age-old question about apples. Do they really keep the doctor away? How exactly do they do this? Are they beneficial for everyone or just some people? Be sure to watch until the end to learn everything you ever wanted to know about the power of apples. And don't forget to subscribe to enjoy more health-related video content in the future. Without further ado, here are the reasons why apples are considered the ultimate health food. Number 1. They contain vitamins. Eating an apple a day infuses the body with a wide range of vitamins. Apples contain vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin B1, B2, and B6, and only 95 calories in a medium-sized variety. Number 2. They boost memory skills. You can, in fact, improve your memory by eating an apple a day. Isn't that great? According to research conducted in 2008, eating apples can also prevent Alzheimer's disease, as they contain antioxidants that help prevent cellular damage and promote cell formation. Number 3. They help you lose weight. Apples are a high-fiber fruit that fill you up for a few hours after eating them. When you don't feel hungry, you'll eat less and, in turn, lose weight. Number 4. They help maintain blood pressure. Eating apples can help sustain your blood pressure by regulating cholesterol levels in your blood, preventing heart disease, stroke, and other vascular problems. And there's a bonus. Daily apple consumption can also help prevent type 2 diabetes. But remember, don't eat more than 3 apples in a day. If you found this video helpful today, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And let us know in the comment box if you will in fact start to eat an apple a day to keep the doctor away.